Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to download and install new Poco launcher on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the browser on your smartphone. Now from here, just search HyperOS updates. Now from here, just open this website. Now from here, just search Poco launcher. Now from here, scroll down and tap on download. Now from here, scroll down and tap on generate download link. Now from here, just wait 5 to 6 seconds for it to generate the download link. Now from here, just tap on download again. Now from here, tap on open. Now from here, tap on update. Now from here, tap on open. And this is how you can download and install new Poco launcher on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.